So you might be trying to figure out how you can connect your Magic Keyboard to your Mac or PC or whatever you basically have. Now to do this, it's actually a very basic process. So if you have the new USB Type-C Magic Keyboard, the first thing you're going to want to do is to understand that you can easily pair up your Magic Keyboard to really any device by using a designated USB Type-C cable. So as long as the one side is USB Type-C and the other side is the port that connects to your PC or Mac, whatever you have, then this is a very basic process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your keyboard is on. So make sure that this sliding indicator is on. So make sure it's on the green part, not like this the other way. And you want to go and plug in one side to your Magic Keyboard. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and plug in the other side to the PC that you basically have. So like I mentioned, if you have a Windows PC, a Mac, whatever you have, make sure that other port is susceptible to plugging it into your device. So now what you can do is plug in that particular device to your keyboard and you will see a little pop-up come up. So as long as it's connected, you should be able to go through, and if I go and turn my keyboard on, if I go and start clicking a key, you'll see this pop up and it will say allow accessory to connect. So now what I can do is I want to go and click on allow, and this keyboard will now basically start working on my device here. So now I can go and start making my way over to wherever and start using this keyboard, and that's it. Your Magic Keyboard is now connected to your Mac or Windows PC. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Swollen.